Suppose you're given some set of numbers and you're asked to find out the largest and the smallest number among them. That is, you have to compare the numbers and find out which one is the smallest number and which one is the largest number. Let's understand this by taking some examples. In the first example, we have 5 numbers, that is 12, 72, 38, 87 and 7. Now, how to find out which one is the smallest number and which one is the largest number? So the first step is count the number of digits in each number. Count the number of digits in each number, and the number which has the highest number of digits is the largest number, and the number which has the lowest number of digits is the smallest number. So here, in this number, we have 2 digits, right? 1 and 2. Same here, we have 2 digits, 1, 2. Here, again 2 digits, 3 and 8. Again, 8 and 7. But this one has only 1 digit, right? It has only 1 digit. Therefore, this is the smallest number. Since this number has only 1 digit and all the other numbers have 2 digits, therefore this is the smallest number. Therefore, the smallest number is 7. Okay, now let's find out which one is the largest number. Here, write all these numbers, those had 2 digits only, write them all in a single place. That is 12, 72, 38 and 87. Okay, now what you have to do is, from the extreme left to the extreme right, you have to move in that direction and compare the digits. Okay, like here we have 1. Again, I'm repeating it again. From the extreme left to the extreme right, you have to move and then compare all the digits. Okay, because this one is a 1's place, this is a 10's place, this is a 1's place, this is a 10's place. Here again 1's place, 10's place, 1's place and 10's place. So we'll compare the number of, we'll compare the digit present at that particular place. So in this case, at the 10th place is 1. In this number, at the 10th place is 7. In this number, we have 3. And in this place, we have 8. Okay. So 1, 7, 3 and 8. Which one is the largest? Obviously, we have 8 as the largest number. Therefore, 87 is the largest number. Since we found that 7 is the smallest number, and the largest number is 87, because 1, 7, 3, they are all smaller than 8. Now let's take some other example. Here, 337, 84, 88, 81 and 80. Again, the first step is to count the number of digits, and the number which has the highest number of digits is the largest number, and the number which has the lowest number of digit is the smallest number. Here, we have, in this number we have 3 digits, right? 1's place, 10's place and the 100's place. Okay. Moving to the next number, we have only 2 digits, 1's place and 10's place. Same here, 1's place and 10's place. So 2 digit number, okay? 1's place and 10's place. 1's place and 10's place. So apart from 337, thus all the numbers have only 2 digits. Therefore, 337 is the largest number. Okay? The largest number is 337. Now we'll have to find out which one is the smallest number. So for that, write all these numbers: 84, 88, 81 and 80. From the extreme left, we'll move towards the extreme right to compare the number of, compare the digit present at that particular place. Okay. So in this case, at the 10th place, we have all the numbers have 8 as a digit, right? Here also we have 8, here it's again 8, here also it is 8, so here also it is 8. So from the tens place we cannot find out which one is the largest among them. So what would be the next step? We'll move to the right. Okay, move to the right. Now here we have 4, we have 8, we have 1, and we have 0. So among all these number present at the ones place, that is 4, 8, 1 and 0, which one is the smallest? Because already we have found out that 337 is the largest. Okay, now we have to find which one is the smallest number. So to do that, first we compare at the tens place. At the tens place we have every digit is 8, but now we'll compare the ones place. So at the ones place, the number which will be having the lowest digit will be the smallest number. So between 4, 8, 1 and 0, obviously 0 is the smallest digit, right? 0 is the smallest digit. Therefore, the smallest number is 80. Okay, let's move to the next example. Here we have 5 numbers. We have 6 numbers, and we'll have to find out which one is the smallest number and which one is the largest number by comparing them. So to begin with, the first step is count the number of digits in each number. Count the number of digits in this number. We have 4, right? We have 4 digits. Here again we have 4 digits. Here we have 3 digits. Here we have 3 digits. And in this case it's 2 digit and it's 2 digits. So write down all the numbers which have 4 digits at one place, 3 numbers at the one 3 digits at the one in a single place, and the 2 digits together, right? So write it down. 1124 1026. Now 3 digits number, we have 333 308, and then comes 2 digits number, 81 and 99. Okay, now we have grouped numbers on the basis of number of digits. Now the second step is from the extreme left move towards the extreme right and compare the digits present at the given place. Here this is 1, this is 1. We cannot find it out on the basis of this. Okay, here, so now move towards the right. This is 1, this is 0. So obviously 1 is greater than 0, and therefore the largest number is 1124. Okay, 1124, 1026, we're having 4 digits in the number. Now since we have grouped them together, we have to find that which one is the largest number among them. So to do that, from extreme left we'll move towards extreme right and compare the digit present at the given place. Here it was 1, 1, we cannot compare because they are same. Here it is 1 and 0, obviously 1 is greater than 0, therefore largest number is 1124. Now see here, we have to find out which one is the smallest number. Obviously this is not going to be the smallest number because 333 and 308 have 3 digits, right? But these numbers have 2 digits. So obviously these two numbers are smaller than these numbers, right? So ignore this. Come to this. Now from extreme left move towards extreme right. Compare the first digit first. 8 and 9. Which one is the smallest? Why we are looking for the smallest? Because now since we have the largest number, we have to find out which one is the smallest number, right? So to do that, in this case we'll find out which one is the smallest by comparing them, right? So at the tens place it has 8, At the tens place, this number has a 9. Obviously, 8 is smaller than 9, right? Therefore, the smallest number is 81. Okay? Let's take a last example. We have 550, we have four numbers. The first one is 5550, the second is 5556, the third is 5554, the fourth is 5555. The first step is find out the largest number, to compare the number of digits, okay? So they all have 4 digits, right? This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousand place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Right? So these all are 4 digits number. So write it here. Let's take it now. Let's take by this. 5 5 5 0 5 5 5 6 5 5 5 4 5 5 5 and 5. Okay, from the extreme left move towards extreme right and compare the digits present at the given place. Okay, so at the thousand place we have 5 here, 5 here, 5 here, and 5 here. We cannot compare, right? Because all are 5. Now move to the next step, that is towards the right. Compare here. This is again 5, 5, 5, and 5. Again, we cannot find out on the basis of this. Now move towards the next, towards the right. Again this 5, 5, 5, and 5. Again we cannot find out on the basis of this. Move again towards the right. Here we have 0, okay, we have 6, okay, we have 4, and we have 5. So all the digits at the ones place are different, right? So from here we can get which one is the smallest and which one is the largest number. So the smallest digit will be the smallest number and the largest digit at the ones place will be the largest number in this case, right? Because all these numbers were same, digits were same, but in this case we have different digits at given at the ones place. So on the basis of ones place we can decide which one is the smallest and which one is the largest. So the smallest number would be the one which has a small which has a lowest digit, and the largest number would be the one which has a largest digit. Okay, so here we have 0 as the smallest, right? 0 is the smallest digit, right? So smallest number would be 5, 5, 5, and 0, and the largest number would be 5, 5, 5. Which one is the largest? Obviously 6, right? So 6. This is the largest number. Now suppose you are asked to arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order. In ascending order or the descending order. Let's see what does that mean. If you're asked to write these numbers in ascending order, that means first start from the smallest number and then write the number which is larger than this smallest number, then write the number which is larger than this number, then write the number which is larger than this number, then write the number which is larger than this number till you find the largest number. Starting from the smallest till you get the largest number. The reverse of this is descending order. Okay, so descending means first write the largest number and then the number which is smaller than this number, and then the number which is smaller than this number, and then the number which is smaller than this number, till you get the smallest number. So ascending means from smallest towards the largest, and the descending means starting from the largest till you get the smallest number. Okay, in this example, if you have to arrange in ascending order, okay, so for that you'll have to first find out the smallest number and then you'll have to find out the largest number. Okay, so for the ascending order, for ascending order, first find out the smallest number. Okay, so as we saw in the previous video and we learned there how to find it out, on the same basis, this is the 2-digit number, this is the 2-digit number, this is 2-digit number, this is 2-digit number, and this is only 1-digit number. Therefore 7 is the smallest number. So write down 7 because we have to start from the smallest, right? Okay, so 7 is the smallest number. Now find out which one is the largest number. Which one is the largest number? So we have 12, 72, 38, 87. These are all 2 digits number. Okay, so write them here. 12, 72, 38 and 87. Okay, so we'll move from the extreme left towards the extreme right and compare the digits at the given place. That is, we'll compare the tens place, digits present at the tens place, and then we'll compare the number digits present at the ones place if required. Okay, so we got the smallest number, we have to find out this largest number now. Okay, so from extreme left towards extreme right, compare the numbers, compare the digits. We have 1, we have 7, we have 3, we have 8. So obviously among 1, 7, 3 and 8, 8 is the largest, right? Is the largest digit. Therefore 87 is the largest number. Write it here, 87. Okay, now this is gone. We are left with these 3 numbers. Okay, again compare 1, 7 and 3. Okay, 1, 7 and 3. So now we have find out the smallest. We have find out the smallest. Let me use some different color. We have find out the smallest and we have find out the largest. Okay, now start from okay, now in between these numbers 12, 72 and 38, which number is the largest? We'll compare 1, we'll compare 7, we'll compare 3. Obviously 72 is a number which is the largest number in between these 3 numbers, right? So write write 72 here. Okay, now this is also gone. We are left with 12. We are left with 12 and this 38. So obviously again we'll compare the digit present at the tens place. This is 1, this is 3, right? So 3 is larger than 1. Therefore 38 is the largest number in between 12 and 38. So write it here, 38. 38, right? And we are left with only 12. So write it here, right? So we have 7 is the smallest number. Then we have 12 which is larger than 7. then we have 38, which is larger than 12, then we have 72, which is larger than 38, then we have 87, which was the largest number. The exactly reverse of this would be the descending order. So if asked for write descending order, just reverse of it. 87, 72, 38, 12 and 7. That is starting from the largest number till you get the smallest number. In case it was the smallest number, till you get the largest number. Let's take some more examples here. 337, 84, 88, 81 and 80. First, ascending. If asked ascending, then we'll find out ascending, otherwise descending. In case of ascending means first the smallest till you get the largest, right? Okay, first find out which one is the smallest number and which one is the largest number. So the largest number is the number which has the most number of digits, right? We'll count the number of digits in a given number, and the number which will be having the largest number, the most number of digits will be the largest number. In this case, these all are 2 digits, 84, 88, 81 and 80. These all are 2 digits number except 337, which has 3 digits. Therefore, the largest number is 337, right? Write it here. Now, we are left with 84, 88, 81 and 80. We'll find out the smallest number. Okay, same concept, from moving from extreme left towards the extreme right. This time we have to find out the smallest number, since we got the 337 is the largest number. And to find out the smallest number, compare the number digits present at the tens place. Here it is 8, here it is 8, again 8 and 8. Of no use. Then we'll move towards the right and compare the digits. This is 4, this is 8, this is 1, this is 0. Obviously 0 is the smallest digit among 1, 8 and 4. Therefore 80 is the smallest number. So we'll write 80 here. We have got the smallest number and we have got the largest number. Okay, now we are left with these 3 numbers. Okay, compare it. 8, 8, 8. Okay, no use. Then move towards the right. We have 4, 8 and 1. Among these, which one is the largest? Obviously 8. Here. Therefore, 88 is the largest number among 84, 88 and 81. So write it here. We have 88. Okay. We are left with 84 and 81. Right? This is gone. This is gone and this is gone. We are left with 84 and 81. Again compare. Here it is 8. Here it is 8. Of no use. Then move towards the right. We have 4 and we have 1. Which is the largest number among them? Obviously, which is the larger digit? Obviously 4. 4 is larger than 1. Therefore 84 is larger than 81. Right? So write it here. 84. And we are left only with 81. Therefore write it here. 81. So first step is to find out the smallest or the largest, whichever you want to find out. And then the same concept, right? You got it. First you find out that which one is the largest number. You write it here. And then the number which is small to this, then small to this, then small to this. And you will arrange the order. Exactly reverse of this would be the descending. That is 337, 88, 84, 81 and 80. Let's take some more example here. Okay, we have 6 numbers, and now just take for this time first take descending. For descending, so descending means starting from the largest and move towards the smallest. Okay, so first find out the largest number. Which one is the largest number here? So this is 4-digit number, this is 4-digit number, this is 3, this is 3, this is 2, this is 2-digit number. Obviously, the largest number would be in between these two numbers, right? Because these are 4-digit number. And the smallest would be in between these number. Okay? So, 1124 1026 for the largest number, 8199 for the smallest number. From extreme left towards extreme right. Compare the numbers. This is 1, this is 1. Okay, first attempt failed. Now this is 1, this is 0. Okay, here we can be successful. So 1 is larger than 0. Therefore, 1124 is larger than 1026, and therefore 1124 is the largest number. 1124 is the largest number. Then comes then comes this number 1026. Why? Because this is a 3-digit number, this is 3-digit number, this is 81, this is 99. Obviously, the largest number would be among these two. And since 1124 is the largest number, then comes a number which is smaller to 1124. Obviously, the next number would be 1026. 1026. Okay. Now see, we have 81 and 99. From here we can find out which one is the smallest number. Okay. So the smallest number, same concept. Move from left to right, compare this tens place, this is 8, this is 9. So obviously 8 is smaller than 9, therefore 81 is the smallest number. 81 is the smallest number. Let me write it here. One 124 1026. So we got from here 81 is the smallest number, right? So 81 is the smallest number, and then would be 99, right? Okay, we are left with these two numbers. Now since we are writing in the descending order, that is first the largest, then the small number to this number, and so on, since until we get the smallest number, we are left with these two numbers. So 333 and 308. 333 and 308. From extreme left towards extreme right. If we'll write from here, then we'll find out the smallest one in between these two. If we'll begin from here, we'll find out the largest one in between these two. Okay, so I want to write from here. So compare these numbers, that is same, extreme left to extreme right. This is 3, this is 3, first attempt failed. This is 3, this is 0. Okay, we can get it from here. Since 3 is larger than 0, so obviously the next larger number largest number in comparison to 1026 would be 333, right? And then will come 308, which is smaller than in comparison to 333. So we got the largest number and we got the smallest number. This is the largest number, this is the smallest number, this is smaller to this is smaller to this is smaller to this, and this is smaller to this was the smallest number, right? So this is the descending order. Reverse of this would be ascending order.